So we're heading out. This is my brother-in-law. Where are we going, G?
We're going to Balay Dako.
And what kind of food is that?
It's Filipino food fixed.
What does that mean?
I gotta eat the food.
It means it's jolly good Filipino food.
So we have arrived at the restaurant. The car park is heaving. It's only 6 p.m. So that thing about Asians go out late is proven wrong here. They go out whenever they can. And this place is absolutely heaving. There you go. Good evening. Raspberry apple cider yogurt. Oh my god. Apple cider yogurts. Wow. Bacon.
More
pork sausages.
Pork sausages.
Homemade pork sausages.
Beef bacon.
Pork bacon,
Pork
surely.
bacon, yes.
Beef bacon's an abomination. I refuse to use the word bacon.
Yeah, me too. House-made meatloaf.
Wow. Nice stuff.
Thick cut bacon.
Americans would feel way at home here.
It was very hungry.
Brain and body. Wow.
That's why a lot of them come.
Yeah, it's not a massive culture shock. Oh, smells good. Good evening. So,
Everyone is seated.
this place is absolutely huge.
Last time I couldn't eat it.
Absolutely huge and massively busy. There's an upstairs and a downstairs.
Yeah, that's the lake.
So my first two choices they didn't have available. One was out of stock, the other one is only a weekend. So we're going for Kansi and we are going for salt and pepper spare ribs. I don't know what Kansi is, but I'll tell you when I get it. But it's got beef in it, there's good. Okay, so we've just been moved upstairs and wow. Don't know how much of this you can see in the light, but that's the outside. And this is the inside. What a place.
You sit out here.
Yeah. Well, it's perfect temperature for it, isn't it?
Look.
Wow.
Can you imagine during the day,
Amazing.
see the whole damn thing.
So down there, you can't really see a lot of these lights, but that is Taal Lake. And this place is stunning. Must be worth a fucking fortune as a business.
Yeah, man, you know, we eat here about twice a month. Can you imagine, like, being able to eat in a place like this? And it's not just the food, it's the ambience.
Yes, it's absolute. You know, sit here and enjoy this.
Now you can pretend is it better than the one that you had before? It should be better.
Holy caroli.
The duck is here. Swap the bulalo with the duck. Ah, yes. That's it.
Only a little one then, G. You weren't hungry?
Yeah, I told you, it's a whole duck.
Wow.
Ano? Kansay. Kansay.
That's yours.
Already here, yeah. How did they get them done so quick? So we're still going. Everyone's had a bit of everybody else's food. The food has been fabulous.
I'm still going.
My brother-in-law is very, very happy.
I have duck.
There's he has duck, he has rice.
Interested in what's in
There's everything you sell at the table.
That's our natural condiment here, the Philippine Filipino, we always need this train. So,
It's horrible.
Chinese or Indian or
Yeah, yeah. So that's some sort of. Go down to
For me. Okay, my sweet corn shaved rice. Oh yeah.
hello, hello.
What the hell is that?
Sure.
Thing you said you didn't like. Still going.
Yeah.